Good day, everyone. Have you ever stopped to think about where the water you use comes from and what would happen if it suddenly disappeared or become unsafe? Well, we will talk about that later. Without clean water, diseases spread quickly and health suffers. By conserving water today, we protect not just the environment but the health of our families and communities. The Philippines is blessed with various water resources, such as rivers, lakes, and underground aquifers. However, despite this abundance, we are experiencing a steady decline in available clean water. Increasing pollution, climate change, and urban growth are putting pressure on water supply. Our water resources are not only limited, they are also under serious threat due to human activities, like pollution from the factories, dirty water flows into pipes, into rivers, lakes, and the sea, and dumping of untreated industrial waste. One of the biggest challenges we face is the lack of public awareness. Many Filipinos don't realize how serious the water crisis is or how their daily habits impact their water resources. That's why education is important. Schools, media, and local communities can help spread information about the current state of water in our country. There are many simple ways we can save water in our daily lives, like fixing leaks when we have leaks in our houses, turning off taps when not in use so that we don't waste water that much, and showering less can save a lot of water. In agricultural sectors, farmers can use drip irrigation to reduce waste. Drip irrigation is dripping water onto soil at very low rates. Industries can also drip and reuse water to avoid polluting the river. By making water conservation a habit in all sectors, home, farming, and businesses, we can protect our supply and ensure that clean water is available for everyone. Local people can organize activities such as tree planting, and tree planting helps water resources by absorbing and filtering rainwater, which reduces flooding. River cleanups and rainwater harvesting projects can also save water in our communities. Local people can also report activities like illegal dumping or unauthorized water use. When communities work together with shared goals, they can make significant impact. Not just the job of the government, everyone has a role to play. When people are empowered to act, change becomes possible. To sum up, our water resources face serious challenges but also offers a great potential if managed properly. We have explored the rich but unevenly accessed water resources in our country. The harmful impact of human activities on water quality and availability, the serious effect these challenges pose on health, economy, and community. Most importantly, we have discussed the practical ways we can all contribute to conserve water through environmental protection, sustainable management, and education. Now, remember the question I asked at the beginning, what would happen if the water we rely on every day suddenly disappear or become unsafe? Well, it's a frightening thought, but the truth is this could easily become harsh reality if we continue to neglect our water resources. Let us commit to protect this precious resource not just for ourselves, but for the health, prosperity, and the future of our children and the generations to come. Together, we can ensure that clean, safe water continues to flow through every Filipino community. The more people understand the consequences of water pollution and waste, the more likely they are to support conservation efforts and make better choices. That's all. Thank you.